Step inside a $40 million Los Angeles modern farmhouse where luxury meets play and sophistication blends with innovative design. In this exclusive tour, we invite you to experience a residence that redefines the boundaries of modern living, a place where every detail has been carefully crafted to embody the pinnacle of contemporary style, technological integration, and lavish recreational amenities. As you approach this magnificent estate, the first thing that captivates your attention is the stunning exterior. If you're into amazing content like this, hit that subscribe button right now. It's totally free. The home's sleek lines and bold architectural elements showcase a harmonious fusion of modern aesthetics with classic elegance. The facade, rendered in a subtle palette of natural stone and pristine glass, exudes an air of timeless sophistication. Towering trees frame the property, while meticulously sculpted landscaping provides a sense of tranquility amidst the vibrant energy of Los Angeles. You feel an immediate contrast between the everyday and the extraordinary as you take in the grand entrance, marked by a soaring portico, stately columns, and expansive windows that reflect the glowing California sun. Stepping through the impressive entryway, you are greeted by an expansive foyer, awash in soft, ambient light. The open, airy space hints at the endless possibilities that lie within. Contemporary art installations invite closer inspection, setting the tone for a journey of discovery. Underfoot, polished marble floors and subtle custom lighting lead you deeper into the heart of the home. Here, every element, from the sleek geometric lines of the staircase to the professionally curated finishes, speaks to a desire to push the conventional boundaries of residential design and deliver a sensory experience that goes beyond the expected. The main living areas are a masterclass in expansive modern comfort. Wide open spaces are interconnected seamlessly to create an environment that is both welcoming and inspiring. Floor-to-ceiling windows bathe the room in natural light, framing carefully designed views of the lush gardens and the distant skyline. High ceilings and a neutral color palette accentuate the home's architectural marvel while reinforcing the theme of sophistication and innovation. Luxurious furnishings, selected with an eye for both form and function, invite residents and visitors alike to contemplate the art of living well. In today's luxury market, smart home technology and sustainable design have become essential markers of forward-thinking architecture, and this modern farmhouse is no exception. Integrated throughout the property is an array of systems that cater to contemporary needs while remaining environmentally conscious. With a focus on energy efficiency and cutting-edge home automation, over 65% of high-end designs now seamlessly incorporate eco-friendly materials and wellness-focused amenities. Here, state-of-the-art climate control, advanced security systems, and smart lighting offer a life that not only exudes extravagance, but also respects the future of sustainable living. As you transition from the luminous living spaces to the more intimate corners of the home, every room unfolds like a well-composed narrative, revealing layers of sophisticated design. The gourmet kitchen, a masterpiece of contemporary culinary space, features high-end appliances and meticulously crafted cabinetry. The sleek marble countertops, understated backsplashes, and custom lighting combine to form a setting that is as functional as it is visually arresting. Here, every meal becomes an experience, and every gathering a celebration of fine taste and elegant hospitality. While the property boasts a rich tapestry of luxurious interiors, one feature distinguishes this estate from even the most exquisite residences: a private recreational bowling alley. This isn't merely a space for games, it's a symbol of the property's unique character and its commitment to offering a lifestyle that balances work and play. The bowling alley, with its custom-designed lanes, ambient lighting, and plush seating areas, stands as an audacious testament to the owner's desire to redefine the notion of home entertainment. It is a perfect counterpoint to conventional luxury, inviting guests to embrace both high-end living and moments of joyful recreation. In a market where buyers increasingly seek a blend of comfort and entertainment, this distinctive amenity positions the home at the forefront of modern residential innovation. Moving further into the residence, you encounter a series of dedicated zones that showcase the versatility of the design. A state-of-the-art home theater, complete with immersive sound and plush seating, offers an alternative setting for relaxation and entertainment. Adjacent to this, a wellness center awaits, complete with a fully equipped gym, spa-like bathroom, and recovery lounge, demonstrating an understanding that luxury extends to every aspect of life. Here, the details speak of purposeful design. Every fixture, every surface, and every finish is chosen to enhance both functionality and aesthetic pleasure. Every space is a carefully orchestrated interplay of light, shadow, texture, and form, inviting the viewer to envision how everyday moments can be transformed into extraordinary experiences. This modern farmhouse is not simply a home, but a dynamic narrative that challenges the notion of ordinary living. Loving the video so far? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps more than you know. In a world where the distinction between work, play, and rest becomes increasingly fluid, the estate offers a sanctuary of refined entertainment and elegant respite. The journey through its halls is punctuated by moments of revelation, a breathtaking library where modern technology meets classic design, an intimate conservatory that invites you to experience nature indoors, and meticulously curated art spaces that inspire reflection and conversation. Each area builds on the evocative themes of contrast and cohesion. The interplay between modern luxury and playful indulgence is woven seamlessly into the architectural DNA of the property. Yet, it is in the details that the true personality of this farmhouse emerges. The subtle incorporation of smart technology ensures that every environment can be tailored to the individual's mood and need, while the commitment to incorporating eco-friendly elements speaks to a future where luxury and responsibility are synonymous. The interplay between form and function is evident in every corner. The custom lighting in the hallways not only enhances the natural curves of the architecture, but also provides a tailored ambience that evolves with the changing day. Innovative materials blend with timeless design, evoking a sense of permanence and modern relevance. The property stands as a monument to the evolution of high-end real estate in Los Angeles, where traditional markers of luxury are enriched by pioneering design elements and a forward-thinking approach to home technology. Now, imagine spending an evening in this remarkable setting. After a day of intimate gatherings and private entertainments, you retreat to the dining area, a space that captures the essence of modern sophistication with its blend of contemporary art and warm, inviting finishes. As you linger at a table illuminated by the soft glow of ambient lighting, the gentle hum of conversation and laughter provides a counterpoint to the bold architectural statements and understated elegance of the surroundings. It is a moment of reflective pause amid a lifestyle defined by comfort and excitement. The contrast between ordinary living and extraordinary luxury is not just seen in the design, but felt in the atmosphere where every detail tells a story of aspiration and personalized elegance. As we delve deeper into the narrative of this extraordinary residence, the unique allure of the bowling alley returns as a singular point of intrigue. Here, the conventional roles of a home are inverted to present a playful retreat where the spirit can soar. Far from the usual connotations of formality in luxury real estate, the bowling alley invites spontaneity. Imagine, if you will, the thrill of a friendly competition or a quiet moment of personal indulgence in your own private recreational haven. This unexpected feature not only heightens the allure of the property, but also signifies a decisive shift in modern luxury, where entertainment and lifestyle coalesce to create a living experience that is both dynamic and deeply personalized. This property is a rallying cry for those who seek more than just a home. It is an invitation to embrace a lifestyle where modern luxury isn't confined by tradition, but is instead liberated by innovative design and thoughtful integration of technology and recreation. The Los Angeles luxury market continues to evolve, with properties such as this one setting new standards, with an average value that continues to rise, and buyers demanding not just residences, but holistic living experiences. Every corner of this modern farmhouse speaks to a future where home is not merely a space, but a dynamic canvas for life's most cherished moments. As our tour draws to a close, we invite you to reflect on the transformative power of exceptional design and ingenious functionality. The journey through this $40 million Los Angeles modern farmhouse has been one of contrasts, a celebration of the intersection between leisure and luxury, where high-end finishes, contemporary trends, and innovative recreational amenities come together in perfect harmony. This is more than an estate. It is a landmark in modern living, where every detail has been thoughtfully curated to awaken your senses and inspire your imagination. In this sprawling residence, luxury and innovation dance in tandem, each supporting the other to create an environment that is as functional as it is breathtaking. In the meticulous construction, in the deliberate choice of materials and colors, and in the seamless integration of smart technology, there is a profound sense of purpose, a purpose to elevate the commons of everyday living to an art form. This property stands as a bold testament to the changing landscape of luxury real estate, where the inclusion of unique features like a private bowling alley transforms the experience into something truly unparalleled. Let this exclusive tour serve as a reminder that luxury is not defined solely by price or opulence, but also by the thoughtful interplay of innovation, aesthetic allure, and the sheer joy of living. It is an invitation to those who dare to dream beyond the mundane, to embrace the art of refined living, and to step confidently into a world where every moment is elevated by the beauty of its design. Thank you for joining us on this journey through a masterpiece of modern architecture and luxury. The narrative of this farmhouse is not just written in its walls and finishes, but in the experiences it promises to deliver. With each step you take within this magnificent estate, you are reminded that life's most extraordinary moments often lie hidden in the interplay between high design and playful indulgence. Experience the pinnacle of contemporary living. Schedule your exclusive tour of this unparalleled Los Angeles estate today.